Amma, where is Nana? Nana is in the garden, Lalita. Oh, Nana, you are here?
Yes, dear. Come on.
Nana, why are you digging the soil?
I want to sow some seeds, Lalita.
Great! What seeds will you sow now?
Brinjal, lady's finger, beans, and many other seeds.
Oh, Nana, I like tomatoes. Do you have tomato seeds also?
Yes, Lalita, I know you like tomatoes, so I have brought them more.
Nana, please give me tomato seeds. I'll sow them.
Sure, why not?
But Nana, when will tomatoes grow?
Wait. First, sow tomato seeds here.
And then?
Pour water regularly.
Then Nana?
Then the seeds will grow into plants.
And next?
In a few months, you will see many tomatoes in our garden.
Oh, that's wonderful, Nana. Then I'll have tomato curry, tomato pickle, tomato soup. Oh! And then she pulled every weed and never allowed an insect or a worm near her pet plants. When the days were hot, she poured water to the plants at night also. The flowers grew and blossomed, but the tomato plants were not so promising except one plant. That plant was a beautiful one. The leaves were green and the tiny green tomatoes began to show, and a very beautiful large tomato grew in the plant. Dear sister, I am going to take my chickens to the district exhibition. I know they will win the first prize. Oh, let me do one thing. Kavita, do people take tomatoes to exhibition? Yes, of course they do. There is always a prize for the best and biggest one grown around here. Why don't you take your big tomato? Oh, could I? Why not, Lalita? Father says it is the finest tomato he has ever seen. You can take it to the exhibition. Don't tell anyone. When judges announce the first prize to Miss Lalita, they will be surprised. Okay. Oh no! Someone has stolen my tomato. In the exhibition, they saw pets and vegetables in the display. And they could not believe their eyes. Among other vegetables was Lalita's big beauty. Look, Kavita, that's my tomato. And then the girls found places near their parents. And then the judges began to award prizes.
And coming to tomatoes, this big beauty wins the first prize. It was raised by Miss Lalita, aged 10. Will Miss Lalita step forward?
Nana, how did my tomato get here?
I brought it, Lalita. I wanted to surprise you.
Can anyone suggest a name for this big beautiful tomato?
The big surprise!